Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now from here, open the app that you want to enable or disable. So after opening the app, here you will be able to see a disable option. So if you want to disable the app, then tap on disable and then click on disable app to confirm. And now this app is disabled. And if you want to enable the app, then click on this enable option and then the app will be enabled. So that's how you can enable or disable apps in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.